mean, we know who you are.
This is Jay Purkey, my neighbor. He just took his equipment and knocked down my brand new gate. He's trespassing my property, criminal. You're gonna be sued. You are gonna be sued in a court of law.
Oh, I'm having a law come right now because he pulled a gun on me just a while ago. He pulled a gun and he flashed the gun at me.
And now he's stealing. He's stealing my property now. He just stole my gate. He's stealing my gate.
And if he brings it over here, he's trespassing.
And my posts. He already trespassed.
No, he'll bring it over here and he'll try to drop it off.
No, he's not. This is Jay Purkey.
We're going to leave it right where it's at. Call the law.
I already called the sheriff's department.
I mean, you see
This
the gun he's got
Jay
on him.
Purkey trespassed my property, vandalized my property, and I've already been at the prosecutor's office today. A restraining order is going to be filed against you, and you will be in jail, and you will be sued.
And I'll sign anything because he pulled a gun
He
out
pulled
on
the gun
me,
on you?
showed it to me, and he said, "You're best not to
Shame
come
on
over
you.
here."
Shame on you. And if you are my trespass my property again, I will take your house.
You stole from me.